Listen up, Firebase Studio is here and it's about to make you look like a coding genius. Even if you still Google how to create a Hello World program in Python. Let's go. Firebase Studio is now the full stack AI workspace that will make your jaw hit the floor. Build entire apps with a simple prompt. Flutter, React, Backend, Frontend, all of it. Created, connected and hosted with just a few words to the AI. Backend, frontend, hosting, everything in one place. With one click, the robots are officially doing your job. So, Firebase Studio is mission to control for your apps. Old Firebase Console was like using a Windows 95, but this is like having a Tony Stark's lab. With one tool, you will get database without a database degree, user logins without security nightmares, cloud functions without a server headaches, all the fancy features without all the fancy coding. It's like having a secret army of Google engineers working for you. Data storage that just works, authentication that doesn't stuck, cloud functions without a cloud confusion, and file storage without file headaches. The everything works together. The magic is not just the tools, it's how they connect it. Add user login, the database permission update automatically, create a function and it's instantly available everywhere. Free tier is actually usable. Unlike other services where free means basically useless. Who need this? Complete beginner who want to build actual apps. Solo developers tired of doing everything. Team who need to launch yesterday. Anyone who's rather create than configure servers. The Firebase Studio turns app ideas into actual apps without the technical nightmare. Now open the Firebase Studio and build something awesome and comment on the video what apps you are building right now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.